Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9 a.m. At 8:20 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Coffeetown, or near Allentown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Wilson, Washington, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Flemington, Slatington, High Bridge, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Clinton, and Bath. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 75. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 48 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York.